Hello to the person listening to this. Hello from this black screen. So, today I was just undergoing my thought process as usual, and I was thinking about something certain today, and that certain thing is time. So, I was thinking about time, but in a very practical way, I would say. I just realized that I keep complaining that I don't have enough time. But if I am honest, it's not about time, it's about how I use it. Hours don't vanish dramatically, they break into small unnoticed minutes. Either be the 5 minutes, 2 minutes, 10 minutes, scrolling 10 minutes, procrastinating, 15 minutes overthinking, and by the end of the day, I feel busy but not productive and ridden with guilt that how I wasted my time today. That's when I remembered something that really stayed with me. Sunil Chetri sir once said, "Do it." Just a simple line, no over explanation, no motivational speech, just do it. And I realized I spent too much time thinking about starting instead of just starting. If I want to study more, I should just do it. If I want to improve my speaking skill, just do it. If I want to build discipline, do it. If I want to break out of myself, I am doing it right now. Time doesn't need my analysis, it just needs action. And what we do is just postpone doing this action, and this create the cycle of this guilt and overthinking. I don't need a perfect plan for the next 5 years. I just need to use this next 20 minutes properly, because improvement is not built in a dramatic decision, but it solely relies on how we execute it. Maybe consistency isn't complicated, maybe it's just repeating, doing it even when I don't feel like it. From now on, I want to reduce hesitation, less thinking and more doing. No waiting for the right mood, no waiting for the perfect time, just starting, even if it's small. And if I can win my minutes, I can win my days, and so the year. So, thank you for listening, and I am working on myself. I will just do it now. Thank you.